Lesson number 2, human power. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to recall and use the equation power equals the work done divided by the time taken. P equals W divided by T. And also understand the idea of basal metabolic rate, or BMR. How much electrical energy is used by a light bulb? That will depend on the length of time that it's on for and on the power of the bulb. The word power is used in different ways in everyday life. To scientists, power is the rate of transfer of energy and is measured in watts. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. A kettle is described as having a power of 2200 watts. This means that it uses 2200 joules of electrical energy each second. Therefore, 1 watt is the same as another unit, the joule per second. Power can be calculated as energy transferred over time, and since energy transferred is the same as the work done, power is also equal to work done divided by the time taken. Power equals the energy transferred in joules divided by the time taken in seconds, or power equals the work done in Newton meters divided by the time taken in seconds. W equals F times S, where S represents the distance. Even when lying in bed, it is impossible to use no energy. In this inactive state, you need energy to make the movements involved with breathing, to make your heart contract about once a second, and to carry out the many chemical reactions, such as making enzymes, which are needed to keep you alive. Energy is needed to keep these basic processes functioning. The minimum amount of energy on which the body can survive is called the basal metabolic rate, or BMR. The BMR is about 7 million joules each day. Slightly more energy is needed if you are young, because your body is making new cells at a greater rate than in a body of an adult. And BMR also varies with the sex and health of the individual. A young person at rest has a BMR of 7 million joules per day. What is his power? Power equals energy transferred divided by the time taken. 7 million joules divided by 24 hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds, which equals 81 joules per second, or 81 watts.